Okay, now we're going to learn about the value function. Sometimes when you download data from the internet and you may have downloaded something that looks like a number, but it's actually stored as text. And instead of having that number as text, you prefer it to actually show up as a number or as a value. So in those cases, you can use the value function, and I'll give an example. Here you can see 1122, which looks like a date, which is typically a value or a number. But if I do a test and I say equals is text, and I link to that cell, you'll see it's saying true. So this formula is indicating that this cell is actually text, not a number. And if you want to learn more about the isText function, you can look at my isText video. Now, if we want to convert this to a value, we can simply type in equals value and link it to that cell. And now, if we copy this isText formula down, you'll see it's false. In other words, because we've applied the value formula to this cell, this result is now a number. And this has an impact on other formulas, for example, VLOOKUP. If I were to do a VLOOKUP of this 1122 cell, just on the table including that top row, and return the second column and an exact match. And if you want to learn more about the VLOOKUP formula, you can refer to my VLOOKUP video. But you'll see here, there's an error. If instead I have this formula go to the entire table, it will now return false because it's matching this 1122, which is a number, with this cell, which is now also a number.